Live and local. It's MidDay Diva AP. All right, happy tax season. You heard her say it in the background. Quinetta Wright, expert tax.
Hey, girl.
Hey, all right. Now, you've been causing drama on Facebook. I saw the drama, and I talked about it earlier about me and my taxes. I used to have a lot of dependents, and back when you could, like carrying a lot of dependents benefited you.
Right.
I used to get a really good tax refund. Now I get a tax refund, not as good, but some people think it's a flex when they say, "Oh, I don't get no tax refund." Now, Quinetta, explain what you said on Facebook.
So I basically told the people that it is not a flex if you're not getting a tax refund, and there is no such thing as I make too much money, so that's why I'm not getting a tax refund.
Oh, I damn sure don't make too much money.
Right. So it's about taxes. Ultimately, it's about how much taxes you have withheld from your earnings, and about tax deductions and tax credits, and then you add in dependents. Based off of that, that's how you determine your refund amount. A person that makes $100K, if they pay $20,000 in federal taxes withholdings during the year, why wouldn't they get a tax refund back? And they actually have dependents, and they might have other things that they can write off. Why wouldn't they get it? And so, what we seeing, just period, but we're really seeing in this day and time is that people are not having their taxes withheld. And when your taxes are not withheld, you're not letting the people take out taxes during the year, then when it's time for you to file taxes, you're going to either owe or your refund is going to be very small. Now, we're not going to talk about people getting big refunds because they might get earned income tax credit or child tax credit. That's a whole nother conversation. We're talking about people getting tax refunds. A tax refund can be $100. A tax refund can be $500. A tax refund can be $1,000. And so we love to say that we're not getting tax refunds because we make too much money. And that ain't really true. It's because you're not paying your taxes properly. You have to fill out a W-4 form at your job, at any job you go work on. And when you're filling out that W-4 form, it tells you or asks you how much taxes you want to get taken out. And you have a choice to make. It's either going to get your taxes taken out during the year, or get your money during the year in your check, or you're going to, not. And you possibly won't get a tax refund, and that's just where it's at. And if your job is not taking out enough taxes, they have an area on the W-4 form where you can put additional withholdings to be withheld from your taxes. So that's what it is. And even when you come to small business owners, like I've been in business for a long time, and I've been doing taxes for almost 19 years. And small business owners, majority of them do not pay their quarterly taxes. They don't pay any taxes.
I never did.
Right. They don't pay any taxes. They wait until the beginning of the year and try to figure out what's going on. Mm-hmm. And a lot of times they don't pay it because of lack of education. They might not know how to pay it. But
I was stingy.
Yeah, what's the saying? Like, either you gotta do two things in life. You're gonna die and pay taxes, and that's just what it is.
Right. So some of y'all who make $50,000 and you don't pay anything, you look over the federal holdings, you pay $30, they gonna get you.
Right.
You don't get no huge refund unless you got 11. Well, you can have 11 kids. They only count the first two.
No, that ain't how it works either.
Yeah,
they count. Depends on what credit you're talking about or what it is. Because you have married couples, like married couples, they don't like to file together, whatever. But you do have married couples that I do, and a total combination of their income might be $100K plus. They might have 2-3 kids, and they get 10, 11, 12, 13,000.
The Obamas did.
For real. Like, I've had clients that do get it. So I don't understand the concept of I make too much money. No, you just didn't have no taxes taken out, unfortunately. And that's what's going on. Right.
So that debate can stop on Facebook. Y'all can argue all you want to. We all in the same boat. It's Columbus, Georgia. Stop it. Okay. Only it's a select few that just make cool money and they make too much. But most of us, stop it. That's just a flex. That's just cap. All right, well, now, right, tell us how we can find you, darling.
So if you're looking for a tax pro that can educate you on your taxes so that you can get refunds if you're not getting refunds, definitely come check me out at Expert on Macon Road, 3604 Macon Road behind the Dairy Queen. And you also can submit your information online no matter where you live, or if you don't feel like coming into the office at www.experttaxservices.com.
So find the new flex. That is not it. It's the MidDay Diva. Keep it locked to the beat.